Okay, I'm now showing you how to use Chemsketch. This is a very useful piece of software for anybody studying organic chemistry. The two main things to know about are there's two modes. You can be in structure or you can be in draw. I'm just going to show you structure right now. So when I click the structure button, if I click carbon, I can now, just by holding the mouse button, clicking it and holding it down, I can stretch the hydrocarbon chain here, can make a side branch. If I want to tidy it up, there's a button over here called clean structure. Clean structure just tidies it a bit, but if I wanted to modify it myself, I can click the select move button on the far left, click it. Now what I can do is I can just grab any particular location on my hydrocarbon chain and it will move it. If I want to display the hydrogens, if I click the hydrogen button on the left, now that I can, and I go and to the carbon atom, if I click carbon. Now, if I happen to make a mistake and click and miss, if you hit Control Z, you can just reverse it. So again, if I hit clean structure over here, it'll clean it up. Now I happen to like it better the way I drew it. So I just hit Control Z, it goes back. So if you wanted to see the name of this structure, there is a button called Generate Name for Structure right here at the top, near the right. Click it. You'll note if I scroll down, I can now see that's called 3-methylhexane. So very useful software for creating organic structures and then finding the names for them. If I wanted to add a functional group like an alcohol, I could click OH. I can put an alcohol in two locations, so it's a diol. And again, if I click generate name, this little icon here, generate name, it'll now come up with, now if I have to select the select button, and I can see the new name is 4-methylhexane 2,3-diol. So a bunch of other features I could, if I want to make my molecule look a little fancier, I want to change colors, for instance. If I select this tool here, the select tool, I can click a carbon and then I can click any color I want. I can make this carbon different color if I so desire. And I can even make things disappear. If I select the hydrogen here, if I double click it, it'll bring up another box. And this box basically is a properties box. So I can see it's a hydrogen atom that's selected here. And if I click this box twice and click apply, you'll notice the hydrogen disappeared over here. So you can have fun. Just that's my first little lesson for using Chemsketch. It is a free download from ACD Software. You can search for it on the internet, find it and download it, and have hours of fun playing with it if you're an organic chemistry student. Okay, so.